I've been running these 5 Wera sets through actual jobs around the house and the shop, and the difference in ratchet feel alone is enough to explain why mechanics talk about this brand the way they do. From a compact everyday driver kit to a full 9-piece Imperial Speed ratchet set, here's exactly what's in each one and how they held up. Subscribe, let's get into it. This is the full-size Cyclop ratchet set built around speed. Ratchet, 1/4 inch drive. Cyclop speed ratchet with 72 fine-pitched teeth and a return angle of just 5 degrees. A short stroke that lets you keep turning fast in tight spaces, without the long swing a standard ratchet needs. The head pivots freely and locks into 0, 15, and 90-degree positions on either side via a slide switch, so it holds position without slipping even at odd angles. A free-turning sleeve and gyrating mass design mean the ratchet accelerates screws on its own once resistance drops, essentially spinning fasteners in without you cranking the handle. A thumb wheel switches direction instantly at any position, no separate lever needed. Contents: 9 Cyclop 1/4 inch hex sockets, a long extension with free-turning sleeve, a wobble extension, a quick-release bit adapter, and 15 bits covering Phillips Torx and hex profiles, all stored in a compact textile case with Wera's color-coded sizing system. This is the original 39-piece toolkit Plus, built around a mini ratchet rather than the full-size Cyclop ratchet, a compact 1/4 inch bit ratchet in drop-forged solid steel with a 60-tooth mechanism and a 6-degree return angle, designed specifically for tight, low-clearance spaces where a full-size ratchet won't fit. Also included, a craft-form bit-holding screwdriver that doubles as 28 different screwdrivers depending on which bit is loaded, a rapid adapter universal bit holder with a free-turning sleeve for one-handed bit changes, a 1/4 inch adapter that extends compatibility to standard sockets, 28 bitorsian bits across Phillips Torx, slotted, square, and hex profiles, and 7 Cyclop 1/4 inch sockets with a ball stop groove and rear knurling for manual grip. Case, hard plastic with green locking components that physically secure every tool during transport so nothing rattles or falls out. This is the Imperial-sized version of the full-size Cyclop speed ratchet, built for anyone working in SAE rather than metric fasteners. Ratchet, 1/4 inch drive Cyclop speed ratchet. Same 72-tooth fine pitch mechanism and 5-degree return angle as the metric 8100 set, with the same pivoting lockable head and free turning sleeve for accelerated screwdriving. Contents: 9 Cyclop 1/4 inch sockets in Imperial sizes from 3/16 inch up to 1/2 inch, a long Cyclop extension with free turning sleeve, a wobble extension, a bit adapter with quick release chuck, and 15 bits covering Phillips Torx and hex profiles. Case, the same compact upright standing textile box with color-coded sizing as the metric version. And if this kind of detailed tool breakdown is what you're here for, subscribe right now. We cover the best tools and gear every single week. This is the updated 39-piece toolkit kit, refining the original toolkit Plus formula. Ratchet, the same Cyclop Mini 1/4 inch bit ratchet, 60-tooth mechanism, 6-degree return angle, drop-forged solid steel construction for durability under repeated use. Contents: the bit ratchet, a rapid adapter universal bit holder, a bit holding screwdriver, a 1/4 inch adapter for socket compatibility, 28 bits across Phillips Torx, tamper-resistant Torx, slotted, square, and hex profiles with bitorsian zones to resist bit breakage, and 7 Cyclop 1/4 inch sockets, suitable for both manual and machine-operated tools. Case dimensions: 190mm by 100mm by 35mm, assembled weight approximately 1.09 pounds, light enough for a service bag, glove box, or drawer. Material: matte chrome-plated chrome vanadium sockets with the same green transport locking case design. Closing with the original toolkit Plus 39-piece set in its classic configuration. Ratchet, 1/4 inch drop-forged steel bit ratchet built for standard hex insert bits. Same compact mini ratchet design as the toolkit Plus 2 for working in confined spaces. Handle, the craft form, plus bit holding screwdriver, which combines with the included bits to function as 28 different screwdrivers from a single ergonomic grip designed to reduce blister and callus risk during repeated use. Material, stainless steel components, magnetic bit retention, total assembled weight around 5.17 ounces for the core driver components. Case, the same compact, organized hard case format Wera uses across the toolkit line with color-coded sizing for fast tool identification. Wera, 8100 piece for the fastest full-size metric speed ratchet. Toolkit Plus 056490 for a compact, complete 39-piece grab-and-go kit. The Imperial 9 Cyclop speed set for the SAE, equivalent of the 8100. Toolkit Plus 2 for the most portable glove box-friendly version of the mini ratchet kit. Toolkit Plus toolset for the classic craft form handle configuration. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back next week, and we're covering the best Wera screwdriver sets to round out the kit. See you there.